Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook clams. First, make sure your clams are fresh and alive by checking for open shells and gently tapping them. Discard any that do not close. Next, you will want to purge any sand from the clams, so soak them in cold, salted water for about 20 to 30 minutes. Finally, scrub each clam individually with a brush under cool, running water to ensure they are perfectly clean before cooking. To get started, you will need your 1 1/2 to 2 pounds of perfectly cleaned clams. Have 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter ready, along with 4 cloves of freshly minced garlic for incredible flavor. You will also need 1/2 cup of dry white wine or a good quality vegetable broth to create the steaming liquid. Make sure you have a large pot with a tight-fitting lid, plus a slotted spoon for easy serving. First, melt your 2 tablespoons of butter in the large pot over medium heat, letting it shimmer gently. Then, add the 4 cloves of minced garlic, sautéing for just about 1 minute until you smell that lovely aroma. Pour in your 1/2 cup of white wine or broth and bring it to a gentle simmer. Now, carefully add all the cleaned clams to the pot, cover tightly, and let them steam for 5 to 7 minutes until they open. After steaming, it is very important to carefully remove any clams that did not open. They are not safe to eat. Serve your perfectly cooked clams immediately in shallow bowls, making sure to include plenty of that wonderful cooking broth. A sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice will brighten the flavors even more. Enjoy your homemade steamed clams, perhaps with some crusty bread for soaking up every last drop of the delicious liquid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.